Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the game's servers tab and scanning entries. This is faster than guessing. Next, press F9 to bring up developer stats so you can see your ping and packet loss immediately. Once you have those numbers, compare server regions and player counts. Lower population often means fewer physics lag spikes. Make sure to mark any VIP or reserved servers you can access, because they usually offer cleaner connections and predictable latency. Once you've noted candidates, filter servers by region or ping where available and pick the lowest millisecond values. This reduces travel time for packets. Join one server briefly to verify real gameplay. Watch for rubber banding, sync issues, and FPS drops which reveal real-world performance beyond raw ping. If possible, switch to a private or VIP server so you can test consistently with controlled player load, and finish by playing several rounds to ensure the server stays stable under real conditions. Short tests can miss intermittent spikes. If you still see lag, clear the Roblox cache, restart your router, and try a faster DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out local networking issues. If problems look server-side, report them to the game developer and switch to a nearby region server as a fallback. This is the fastest way to recover when a host is unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.